Hey guys, my name is Jasmine. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my channel today. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are returning, welcome back. Today I am going to be opening up my For You by Tia package. I already opened it because I was recording earlier and my camera died. Yay! We're gonna do this all over again. But I'm going to be opening the package that they sent me today. They sent me 4 products. I have never tried For You by Tia, but I love my girl Tia, so I've been really excited to try this product, her line. So let's get started. Oh, did I just do that? Ugh, I hate it. Okay, so first product we are going to, first product that they sent me is the For You Moisturizing Shampoo, which gently cleanses and softens. This is that bad boy here. You see? Okay. It says it has watermelon and Hemi 15. I don't know what Hemi 15 is, but it's on all of these, so I'm gonna look that up. But it says this is a rich shampoo that cleanses without stripping essential moisture, which is really important for me. I live in New Mexico and it is very dry out here, so my hair is constantly dry. I'm constantly having to like super moisturize it, and even sometimes super moisturizing it isn't enough. It's insane. It says what it gives. It provides shiny, soft, and hydrated hair. And it is sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, which are all of her products, which is awesome. So I cannot wait to try this. This smells so good already. Like I can smell it through the little thing here, the little seal. Can't wait to try it. The next item is going to be the Moisturizing Conditioner. See it? Which deeply hydrates and nourishes. And it has hibiscus and Hemi 15. This is a deeply moisturizing conditioner that nourishes hair and detangles without weighing hair down. This is awesome because my hair is very thin, so I don't like putting heavy products on my hair because my hair does get very like, So it says what it gives: shiny, hydrated hair with reduced frizz, which is another really awesome thing. My hair is very prone to frizz. So I cannot wait to try this also. And this has the hibiscus and Hemi 15. What is Hemi 15? Ooh, you guys, hold on. Let's look at the texture of this, because texture matters to me a lot when it comes to products. I love silky products because it just makes it easier to detangle your hair, which it does say this does, it detangles. So let's look. Very silky. You see it? See the shine? I would put my light on, but I'm not gonna put my light on right now. And I see the sun coming through. Ooh, what? Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move you guys, hold on. You guys ready? Is that too much? Yeah, that's too much. I ain't gonna do all that. No, let's just leave you right here. The next product that I'm going to show you is the Leave-In Curl Cream. It softens hair and smooths frizz. It has flaxseed and the Hemi 15. Am I saying that right? I'm gonna be so embarrassed if I'm like not saying that correctly. Hemi 15, Hemi 15, Hemi 15. Anyways, it says this is a versatile leave-in treatment that softly conditions and nourishes curls without the frizz. Yeah, I need this. I need a good leave-in conditioner or leave-in cream and conditioner. We will see how this, ooh, shoot. I'm gonna try it on my other hand since I still have a little bit of product on that one. So this one, can you guys see it? It's really silky and smooth. I love it. I want to try these on Rain's hair too, because she's starting to like really get her curl pattern. Like her hair has a few different curl patterns, but she's finally like her hair's starting to fall into like one curl pattern. I haven't really found any products that I love for her hair. Everything, like her hair will like for a moment and then all of a sudden her hair will hate it, which is what my hair does. So I normally have to change out my products every so many months because my hair will just start not reacting well to the products I'm using. So I'm gonna try these on her hair also, especially since they're clean products. Definitely gonna try. The next and the last product that they sent me is the Deep Conditioning Repair Mask. Deeply hydrates and strengthens. It has vegan silk protein and Hemi 15. It says this is an intensive hydration mask. Why am I acting like I can't read today? But it says this is an intensive hydration mask that melts into strands, repairs and restores your curl pattern. It gives soft, juicy, and defined curls that improve hair health with every use. You leave on for 5 to 10 minutes on clean, damp hair, or up to 30 minutes for dry, brittle hair, which is going to be me because I have a little bit of color in my hair and it has caused my hair to be very not so, my curls dry out very fast, but I love it and I'm gonna live. I'm sorry, you know, but I haven't found a mask that I've been wanting to use. Everybody tells me, use the Aztec clay mask. And I'm like, girl, the last time I did that, my hair was dry for weeks. I will never do that again. I know other curly girls have used it on their hair and I don't even know if it's for your hair. Is it for your hair? I don't know. But I put it on my hair once and my hair was like, girl, what are you doing? But I'm really excited to try this because my hair has been craving some deep conditioning. And like I said, living here in New Mexico, it is dry. We have like no humidity out here. It hardly rains. Like it's raining today, but it hardly rains. And if it does, it rains for like 10 minutes and then it's dry. So having products that are moisturizing, not gonna weigh your hair down, clean, are usually what I look for. So I'm super excited to try these. I will make a video showing me just kind of using these products. Thank you so much to For You by Tia for sending me these products. I'm super excited to try them. If you haven't tried them already, try them out for yourself. Like I said, I will make a video showing, you know, how they work with my hair. I have really high hopes and I think it's going to work very well actually, just based off of what I'm reading. But thank you guys so much. Sorry it was a really quick video today. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Jasmine Jackson, JasmineJackson. And I am trying to upload videos on my YouTube every Sunday. I'm trying. And I also just launched my podcast. So if you guys have Apple Podcasts or Spotify, you can find me there. It's called Girl, Write This Down, Unfiltered Conversations. I am super excited for that also. So be sure to follow me on Apple Podcasts or Spotify, Girl, Write This Down. And you will see me on a very bright pink cover photo. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And we will see you next Sunday. Thanks.